Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It is October 31st, 2021, and it is Halloween. Not sure where you are at watching this, but if you are in the US, we celebrate Halloween, and this is the first Halloween since the lockdowns last year. The kids pretty excited about that, and I just got home from trick-or-treating with my kids and wanted to do a quick Shiba Inu trading bot update. So here we are. Last time we talked was about 5 days ago, and Shiba Inu had just hit an all-time high of, I believe it was it's 4 zeros, so 0.0000 5500. I'm just gonna say 5500 going forward. So we hit an all-time high of 5500, and at that time, the SHIB Trading Bot, it made me $550 in profit compared to $1,200 if I had just bought and hodled. And let me pull up CoinMarketCap right now. But pretty much right after I did the video, SHIB went on another tear and hit even new highs. I believe this was around where we're at. So it was around 5,500 around here, 1026. And we just hit new highs, 6,600. We went to 77, we went 700, 7,000, 7,200, 7,500. Then we actually hit 8,000 and we hit an all-time high of about 8,700, and we pulled back, and over the past 4 days we've been consolidating between 6,500 and 7,500. So you may be wondering, what has the SHIB trading bot done since then, and how does it compare to just hodling? And that's what we're going to go over today. So yeah, let's pull up the SHIB trading bot. So here it is. Here's the SHIB Trading Bot. As you can see, it's been running for about 22 days, actually exactly 22 days, and it's given an average daily trading um, return of 1.75%. It's done 4,814 transactions for a bot profit of $1,153, which is a 38.42% return on my investment. Let's pull up the charts. And as you can see, so 1026 was around right here, and it just did this, just went straight up, and you'll see a lot of reds, which is a lot of sells, a lot of buys, and it pulled back, a lot of buys and sells, and it's just been wiggling ever since then. And let's look at the details where you could see even more detail on this. So as you can see, this is what I started with. I put $3,000 into the trading bot, and initially it bought 40,822,107 SHIB, and that was about $1,000, cost about $1,000, and it kept $1,925 in cash. Right now, there's 23 million SHIB with 1,500 in cash. And as we mentioned earlier, I've had a bot profit of $1,153, which is 38.42%. But what I wanted to show was the daily return, or the daily profit. So October 26th was when we did our last video. That day it made us $273 profit. The next day we did $245, and on the 28th we did $60 in profit, and 29th $10, and October 30th 14, and today's October 31st it did $13 in profit so far. As you can see, we can see what it did the previous day. So $50 on the 24th. We had a big day of $121 on the 23rd, $45 on the 22nd, and when we first started the bot, we had a bunch of 30, 28, another $40 day, and a $50 day, and a $15 day. So yeah, that's the bot. Over here you can see the order status of, we have a bunch of buys going on, bunch of sells, and I don't know what this canceled is. It says fix, partially filled. So let me hit fix it. Let's see what it does when I do that. All right. So yeah, that's it actually doesn't look like it's doing anything, but I'll come back to that. Yeah, so that's that. I have a summary here, but you may be questioning how would I have done if I just bought SHIB and just held it. So as I mentioned, I bought 40,822,000 SHIB, and currently at today's price of which I just saw was about 70.34. That would be a bot that would be worth about $2,700. Let me get the summary for you. So that would be 2871. That would be a bot profit of $1,793. And so compared to the SHIB Trading Bot profit of $1,153. So as you can see, if I just held the coin, I would have more profit than putting it into the crypto bot. Now, will this last? Who knows? I still plan to hold SHIB as one of my bots for a little while, so we can see how this plays out. But if we were talking about numbers today, it definitely would have been the better decision to buy and hold SHIB instead of putting it into the bot. Now, you may be wondering what would have happened if I sold at the top. So let me pull up a calculator. And what did we say? 40,822,000 times if I caught the top, which was 0.0000, I believe 8,500. So that would have been $3,500. So that's 3,500 compared to 2,800 and 2,200. So that would have been a bot profit of about 1,500 or $2,500 if I caught the top. Now, so the conclusion is the same as last video. If you think a coin is going to go parabolic and you want as much profit as possible, then having it in a bot is probably not what you want to do. It limits your upside, but on the other hand, if you were hodling the coin, would you be selling any and taking any profits? We talked about this last time, but if you are a disciplined investor, then you would probably take some off the top and have your set sell targets. But most people are not disciplined, and when you see it move 100% in a week, greed kicks in and everyone thinks their $1,000 investment can get to a million. What ends up happening is people get left holding bags, and having a bot, on the other hand, it takes the profits for you, and you really don't have to think about it, and you just see the profit go to your account. So I'm kind of liking it. I'm not putting all my coin in bots, but this is definitely a good experiment to see how it goes. I'm excited to see how this goes, with SHIB, and if it goes up to the penny that everybody wants it to go to, what's this gonna do? So yeah, it's definitely exciting to see this, and excited to see how this ends up. So yeah, that's the Halloween summary of the Shiba Inu trading bot. Hope this was a treat for everybody to see, and hope you like the update. And if you're enjoying following along on this journey, please remember, subscribe, smash that like button. It helps with YouTube, helps with growing this channel, and I'm glad to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you on the next video.